Hello, second grade. All right, so today we're going to do chapter 19. We're starting with a new chapter, chapter 19, lesson 1. So before we go on to how to classify the sentences or practice classifying sentences, I would like to introduce you to our new vocabulary word for this new chapter. The word is aware. Aware. A-W-A-R-E. So if you want to follow along, it's on page 458. So aware. Aware, the definition of aware is knowing or realizing something. Synonym for aware is informed. Antonym for aware is uninformed. Sentence. Everyone was aware of the final score of the game. All right, some more synonyms for you to know. 1, blend and combine. And 2, tow and haul. So more antonyms are many and few, and patient and anxious. So make sure to maybe take a flashcard and write down the word aware and the definition, the synonym, and the antonym for the word aware to continue practicing so you know this word for your test. All right, so let's classify 2 sentences using the things that we've been learning the past 18 chapters. And so I'm only going to classify 2 out of the 3 sentences given to you in the book. You're more than welcome to do the 3rd sentence on your own, and you can always email me a picture of it if you have any questions. All right, so we're just going to start off with the first sentence. The first sentence says, his friends looked at him at the show. Who looked for him at the show? Friends, subject, noun. Okay? What is being said about friends? Friends looked, verb. I said at him, but this should be for. I'm sorry, that's my fault. So for, preposition. For whom? For whom? Him. Him. Object of the pronoun. At, preposition. At what? Show. Object of the preposition. The, article adjective. Whose friends? His friends. Possessive pronoun. Sentence pattern. Subject, noun, verb. Pattern 1 sentence. And mark flow, period statement, declarative sentence. So D. Where should I put the forward slash? The forward slash will go between friends and looked, or subject, noun, and verb. What do I underline once for complete subject? His friends. What do I underline twice for complete predicate? Looked for him at the show. Now, what about prepositional phrase? For him and at the show. And that is our first classified sentence. If you need help with that or you were confused with anything, please let me know. All right, sentence 2. My cat played with Nana's ball of red yarn. So What played with Nana's ball of red yarn? Cat. Subject, noun. What is being said about cat? Cat played. Verb. With. Preposition. With what? Ball. Object of the preposition. Whose ball? Nana's ball. Possessive noun. Of. Preposition. Okay. I'm sorry, I made this a little bit big. Of. Preposition. Of what? Yarn. Red. My goodness, Ms. Behrens is making all kinds of mistakes today. This is yarn, not yarn. Of what? Yarn, object of the preposition. What kind of yarn would be red? So that would be adjective. Okay. Whose cat? My cat. Possessive pronoun. Sentence pattern. Subject, noun, verb. Pattern 1. And mark flow. Period statement. Declarative sentence. D. What do I underline once for complete subject? Or actually, no. Where do I put the forward slash? The forward slash would go between cat and played, or subject, noun, and verb. Now, what do I underline once for complete subject? My cat. What do I underline twice for complete predicate? Played with Nana's ball of red yarn. Prepositional phrase. With Nana's ball. And of red yarn. And that's our second classified sentence. There is one more thing I would like to go over, which will be on your homework, CP 52, and I would like to go over this. So I would like to go over present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense would be, so let me grab something here. Hold on. So present tense is a verb that shows something is happening now. So present tense is a verb that shows that something is happening now. For example, the girl talks, or the girls talk. Or the present tense would be Ms. Behrens has a ball. Ms. Behrens, present tense, happening now. Ms. Behrens is throwing the ball now. So Ms. Behrens is throwing the ball. Throwing, it's happening now. Present tense. Past tense. Ms. Behrens threw the ball. That's past tense. It already happened. So verb that shows something has happened in the past. Okay? So Ms. Behrens had a ball and she threw the ball. So that happened in the present tense. Future tense. Okay? Future tense is, again with the ball, future tense is something that's going to happen in the future. So I could say Ms. Behrens will throw the ball later. Ms. Behrens will throw the ball later. So I'm saying it's going to happen in the future. So future tense will will normally say something will happen. Miss Medina will walk, or Miss Medina will throw the ball. That's future tense. Past tense, something that already happened long time ago. Jack played with Carlton at his house. Played, that already happened long time ago. Julie's birthday was couple weeks ago, or so that's past tense. And then present tense, present is something happening now. Miss Behrens is teaching the grammar lesson now. Something is happening now. Okay? So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. If you have questions on CP 52, please let me know and I'll be happy to help you out. So Miss Medina is going to zoom in onto this here, and let me know if you have any questions.